But once you are in alignment with your soul's calling, with your true soul purpose, you
Yes.
know, the divine or the universe rise up to meet you.
Yes.
So like, and then I know that I need to spurn off to have my own firm doing more like spiritual interior design, like Feng Shui. My
Yeah.
first client sold up even before I finished forming the paperwork.
That.
Yeah,
Yes.
I met someone at an event and she asked what I do. I said, "Oh, I'm a, interior designer, and then she's a wedding gown showroom owner.
Oh,
And she said, "Oh, come design my wedding gown showroom for me." I'm like, "Okay." And she said, "I just like your energy." Like she didn't even
right.
ask my portfolio. Like, what have you done before? I'm like,
Right.
really? And also because it's a, small business owner, she
Mhm.
make her own solo decisions, so it's much easier to work
Right.
that
She
way.
can do whatever she wants. And
Right,
I love
exactly. So
clients like
my
that.
business, that was my first client. So my business took off from then. And I'm like, wow, I was so grateful, because at the
Yeah.
time, when you left the corporate job and everything, you don't know. But I'm just like
Yeah.
flowing with what I feel called, what my soul is feel called to do. That's
Yes.
like following the steps. And
Yes.
of course, along the way, I pick up all these trainings, like crystal healing,
Yes.
you name it, I would try it, and all this self-discovery system because I'm so like I really want to know, who I am, why am I here, and those like so that's why I look into enneagram, numerology, genie keys, human design. If there is a systems out there about self-discovery, I've already studied it hard.
I love that. You're like, I've tested the waters. I
Yeah,
love it.
that's right. So
That's so great. I love that. Yeah, and that's one thing I find interesting about the spiritual people I've met is they become a student of the universe in a way. Like,
right,
because it's
right.
like we're all different, like we're all on different paths in a way. And
Mm-hmm.
but we all get information different ways, different
Yes.
kinds of information. And so some people they're like, oh, our Vedic is like the only way. Not saying that like I've met a lot of people like that, but some people they pick their niche, their thing, and then they
Right.
go with that. But a lot of people they try all of them because there's bits of information in each of them that help us grow and become more us. Does that make sense?
Oh, I totally agree. So a couple things I want to mention on that point is that I really like a motto. It's my motto, and I really like a saying from Lao Tzu. He said that knowing others is wise,
Yes.
knowing yourself is enlightenment. So
Yes.
I
Oh,
think, yep, I think at a soul level, our job is to really know our soul and how to evolve from that point, right?
right.
So no matter how you're taking the knowledge and like which route you choose or you resonate with, that
Hmm.
doesn't really matter.
Right.
The key part is knowing yourself deeply
Right.
and
Yes.
how to work on that.
Right.
So that's my motto.